What is up, guys? Welcome to today's market recap. Today, there was two setups which I wanted to take. I just sadly didn't get an entry on either of them. The first one, there was a possible entry, and I'll go over that. I'll just go over it. Going into the day, I did have more of a bullish bias. We were respecting this daily gap, also feel the new week opening up, this place higher, and we had two key levels. I did say if if we're going to be if we're going to be bullish, we should respect this hourly gap or go down on sweep London and then go higher. We ended up just turning bearish. Um, so here I was either looking to take longs out of this hourly gap because we did have an SMT here, but we ended up just dumping through it. And then there was this on-field 4-hour gap here on NQ, which I wanted to take longs out of as well. We had an on-field 15-minute. Um, and there was a 3-minute here, which I wanted to take longs. This 3-minute. Now, my break-even point was gonna be this high here, also because it was a 4-minute fair value gap. So since it's a fair value gap, I have to go break even there. Is this even a 5-minute? I don't know. Is it? I don't think it is. Wait, what? Wait, high 667, low 6. Nice, not a fair value gap. Okay. Um. So yeah, I was looking to take longs there, and the close was super high up, and so I put a limit at this 1-minute order block, hoping to maybe get an entry. Had a stop around here. And yeah, we ended up taking the break even and then we just stamped. There was a 2-minute though, and I was super confident on this setup, and I was close to taking it, but and I just did take it on evil. This 2-minute, I did really like the close. Was it better than the 3-minute? Yeah, the close was better. It was pretty much at the 1-minute order block now. Yeah. Um. So I was looking to take that. I just didn't take it on my live just cause I rather wait for the highest time frame inverse, get the like full confirmation. But I think that this 2-minute inverse was actually pretty good as well. Um, there was some LR here, like it's a bit LR, but I didn't really care that much, seeing like how we displaced out of this level, and we got a V-shaped inverse, so I didn't really care that much. Um, Now my eval, I should have gone break even at this high, I didn't. Just cause I did have a lot of conviction on the 15-minute hitting, but I should have gone break even. Um, just cause we were inside of a new gap, and that gap ended up sending us lower. So yeah, then we ended up dumping, and we got this 4-hour inverse. So once we got this 4-hour inverse, um, I turned bearish. Uh, my drawn liquidity initially was previously high, but we did have an SMT here. So, I mean, and we respected this hourly gap as well, so I guess that it does make sense as to why we didn't take out this high. But yeah. Um, and yes, I was looking to take shorts here to this low. Um, I ended up leaving almost perfect equal lows, like a takeaway, or I don't know how many points. Like, I don't know. Um, so whenever like this shit happens, bro, it's a blessing. Cause if we like retrace to a 50-minute or a gap after, and then you can get an entry, that's just a fucking blessing. And I really, really wanted to take shorts, and I was going to. But I'm gonna go to the 4-minute here, cause it was a 4-minute gap. I was looking to take this 4-minute inverse here, this one right there, As you can see, the close was all the way down here. Um, so I was going to put limits around here. Just get a better entry, have a stop like around here, about this 1 minute out of the block, and just have like a one-to-one like this. Um, and we just ended up dumping, and like if I took this entry, my stop would have been like I don't know where I would have put it, and also like having really fast. I mean, kind of fast. Um, but yeah, I wasn't really considering having an entry here, especially with like my stop would have been huge, almost 100 points, and then by then my risk would have been like either too much or too little. So it's like a bit weird, you know. But I did have a lot of conviction on this short, and there was also a possible. I mean, yeah, I couldn't get an entry here, and I'm so like annoyed by it. There was a 3 minute inverse that close was super nice. You could have had like a stop there and take profit, like right there for a 1-to-1. Um, and I didn't take the 3 minute just because there was a 4 minute, and I take the highest time frame inverse on the leg. That's my rules. So I'm sure discretionally you could take the 3 minute, but let's say I take the 3 minute and the 4 minute ends up holding, and we get a resweep of this high. Also, especially because it was a 30-minute gap that we had just opened up, like it's 10:30. So if I had taken the 3 minute and the 4 minute holds and get stopped out, I would have been so fucking mad at myself, so pissed. So I just rather wait for the highest time frame inverse. So I'm not mad that I waited for that and I just couldn't get an entry. It's just a bit annoying, but it is what it is. I follow my rules, I follow my plan. So yeah, it is what it is. And then there was also a possible short here they could have also taken at first. It was this one. We had an SMT with this 5 minute gap at the time. SMT there, and also NQ was trading inside of one. Let me go to 5 minute. So SMT here with this 5 minute gap. Uh, yes, took it, and yes, NQ was inside of this one. And there was this 1 minute inverse. The reason that I didn't take this was because we had a 10 a.m. doubles mark, and I don't want to take shorts before, like, if we leave this doubles mark right there, because like 9 times out of 10, we are going to retrace back into this devil's mark, give the 4 hour a week before going lower or higher. Sure, we had an SMT with it. I don't really know how strong SMTs are with a devil's mark. I haven't really backtested it, but what I've seen is that, I mean, I just rather see NQ take out this draw and keep the 4 hour a week. So yeah, and if you took this, I don't think it's bad. I would say it's like A minus. Would have been a break-even trade either way. Super annoying that you would have gotten like edged, but yeah. Uh, so today, if I had taken, yeah, I mean today was a pretty annoying day. I follow my rules though, follow my plan, so it is what it is. Nothing I can really do about it. It's just like this where it's a bit annoying, but following my plan and rules in the long term will pay off. So yeah, and honestly, I think that taking a lower time frame inverse on both of these cases was okay, but I do like this one more, just cause we had like opened up the 3 minute. What time did we open up? At 9:45, and the close on this was like 9:46, I think. Yeah, 9:46. Um, and also just a really strong close. So I think that taking this 2 minute instead of the 3 minute was a pretty good discretional trade. But yeah. And yeah, that is it for today. And then the rest was just straight chop. Wasn't even looking at it. And yeah, for tomorrow, I'll probably be more. mm, I mean, if we were going to be bullish, would have like reacted already out of this. Um, we would have held like this wick and this gap, but we inverse that. Okay, on SMT now with these highs here. Um, I'll see what overnight session does, what Asia and London does, but I think I'll be more bearish unless we start displacing higher. So yeah, that is it for today, and peace out.